Welcome to Asyn Code. Never miss a new coding tip. Hit like, subscribe, and stay on top of your game. Inheritance is one of the key concepts in object-oriented programming, OOP, and Python is an object-oriented programming language. Inheritance allows us to create a new class that is based on an existing class. The new class inherits the properties and behaviors, methods, of the existing class. Parent class, animal. This class represents a basic animal with a name and species. It also has a method speak that prints a general message about the animal. The init function is the constructor for the animal class. It initializes two attributes, name and species, when an object of animal is created. This stores the name of the animal. This stores the species of the animal. Method speak. This is a general method that all animals will have. It just prints a generic sound message. Child class, dog, which inherits from animal. The dog class has everything that animal has, but can also have its own specific behavior. The init function here initializes the dog class. Notice that we are calling the init method from the animal class using super. This allows us to set the name and species, but this time, we set the species to dog. Super, init calls the init method from the parent class animal. Now we initialize the name and species from animal. New attribute specific to dog class, breed of the dog. Method speak is specific to dog and overrides the one from the animal class. Here, we make the dog bark instead of the generic sound. Child class, cat, which also inherits from animal. Similar to the dog class, but for cats. Each class has its own way of speaking. Again, we use super to initialize the parent class and set the species to cat. Initialize the name and species. Overriding the speak method for the cat to say something unique for a cat. Now we are going to create objects, instances, of these classes and call their methods. Create an animal object. This is a generic animal that does not have breed or color. Create a dog object. We specify the dog's name and breed. Output: the dog named Buddy, who is a golden retriever, barks. Create a cat object. We specify the cat's name and color. Output: the cat named Whiskers, who is black in color, meows. Now run our code. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.